Hello, good morning KI. So, magandang umaga, good morning, good evening, saan panig ka ng mundo. Okay, so tuloy-tuloy yung ating treasure hunt. So, pang episode 51 na po tayo kay AI. Okay. So, updates yung ating AI crypto course. So, mamimigay tayo magkakaroon tayo ng basic package. So, with AI crypto, so magkakaroon ka pa ng products, okay, sa ating crypto courses. So, meron pa tayong 8 slots. Pwede pa kayong humabol sa ating enrollment fee. Okay? So, magbabakas tayo ngayon ng idol. Okay. So, good luck everyone. So, good luck everyone. So, kung di ka pa nakasubscribe sa akin channel, subscribe now, Jonathan Beat TV. Then, don't forget, i-share mo tong video. Okay? Ayan. So, good morning again. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.